YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. Thank you. It's my channel, Mr. What's Your Beach. If you're new to the channel and you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Anyway, yo, 400 likes if you don't mind. Appreciate it. Thank you. So we out here at the Timberland Stoop event. We on Dykeman. It said watch the heights, but you know we on Dykeman. But yo, this is the best spot for it right here. There you go, front. Only thing we missing now is some bachata. Nah, I just playing. But yeah, nah, we definitely out here. So y'all just gonna catch some behind the scenes footage or whatever, and we gonna rock out. 400 likes out.
You deserve it. I waited and I waited. Finally we made it. Look at who I came with, treat my friends like we're related. Every day's my birthday, oh happy belated. I'm performing at the highest level, tell me where you rate them. I treat my lady like God, tell me who you're praising. Who cleans up the house, cooks the food and feeds the babies. Who made love to you in the street, showed you hatred. Home is where the heart is, this is the vacation. I came up the hardest, picture me in that trailer. Every time it started raining, we thought it would cave in. Mama working 2 jobs, nothing in her savings. Drug dealers passing by, that started my cravings. Man, baby, I know that you going. I feel like I won already. Baby, I know that you're going. Now mommy got a nice house, it's slowly getting better. Grandma never got to visit, but we won't forget her. You should hear the topics that we laugh about together. Whether the weather is good or bad, we vow to forever stay close. I'm falling back from them drugs, take notes. This is sober rain talking to you, baby. Pray growth keeps entering my life. My remedy was Sprite. The center of attention used to enter in his swipe. Everything he wanted, and all night he was confronted with gunmen. Them shots dumping was the energy he liked. So dope to friends, I'm just here to make it right. A lot of stress on me, I'm just trying to take it light. I know that you going. How? You believe in me way too much. I used to rap in the mirror, feeling like I am the one. Pursued this for 15 years, what a hell of a run. The whole sound changed, everybody's doing dumb. Finally got what made back, but now I feel like I'm done. Hard to adapt when the game is full of gimmicks, and the kids from the burbs are the only ones with lyrics. They don't wanna hear you talk it if you really lived it. And a nigga kinda fly, so they keep it from they bitches. And some of the biggest stars sneak dissing on the low, so you get some money and fame, and this is how it go. Tripping over women that I kicked it with before. You that nigga, why you worry about my dick and where it go? I guess success couldn't make you boys cool. I'll never understand how you boys move. How is it that my little bit of fame bothers you? You're still welcome to the barbecue, your father too. And what is it about me? Only you can tell it.
Cherry gold, very close to rose, but it's cherry low. Diamond shining clearly, you don't hear me though. Yeah. Cherry gold, very close to rose, but it's cherry though. Very heavy vocabulary everywhere we go. They play me crazy loud in stereo. Check come with a lot of O's like Cheerios. Ever need some bread, just let me know so I can tell you too. Special things from me to you that you can do. So listen very close, here's what you do. First you get up off your ass, cause niggas up and at it and moving fast. Bopping, weaving, sticking, moving, shooting jab, getting stupid bags, tax free, basically see stupid cash. You don't got no reason to be doing bad. Always could get you a mess in a pistol, yeah. Very simple, yeah. Hey, must be very careful, cause niggas will kill you dead in the sunshine. I'm in a great headspace, baby Drake by the staircase. COVID over, so what? I ain't going nowhere barefaced. They might spot me, try your style sloppy. You wanna be me, you're just an imitation copy. Move like the mob, even when I'm one deep. Little mama love the gunners, keep asking for young C. You know I told that hoe slow up before you fuck the flow up. Was crack after that, you never know, he might show up. Fake and phony don't concern me, mommy. I get money, sit bubbly with a burner on me. And remember, contenders get bent up and sent up. Crack mine. No need to pretend I'm really him, nigga. Crack mine. That internet shit gon' get your chest hit. Crack mine. I be outside, where you at?
Shit, nigga call me this, you heard? They call me Bobby Brown, so I decided to capitalize on this shit, you heard? Let's go.
Every little step I'll take, you will be there. Every little step I'll take, we'll be together. Every little step I'll take, you will be there. Every little step I'll take, we'll be together. I ain't gotta say too much. So that sophisticated you fine. Can't look at the face on her. Shorty, you can stay a while. See what made me come for her. You ain't gotta wonder why. Baby got a pumpkin butt. She my little pumpkin pie. Every little step I take, every little check I make. Girl, I promise you get some. I'ma have your little neck on flex. All my exes hating on you. Don't worry about them days before you. Now I got your maintenance, so I said you need a maid, you sure do. Girl, we bout to live on better. Said she wanna build, I'll let her. Everything expensive on me. Go from Bogota, Veneta. I probably ain't pronounced that right, but I got it on about that right. Don't you ever doubt that right. Don't you ever doubt that slide. Every little step I take, you will be there. Every little step I take, we'll be together. Every little step I take, you will be there. Every little step I take, we'll be together.
We have Prox, we have Stem, and we have Gouch. So everyone give them a big hand for the work they put in today.
Big round for creativity. Let's make some noise for the creativity, please.
So just to be clear, this was not easy. We got a ton of last-minute votes from people that were here on site. The online voting was off the chain. We had one winner, we had another winner, and then finally when we did the tally, drum roll please. Yo. Hailing from Brooklyn, New York. Gouch, please step up.
Gouch is the winner, ladies and gentlemen. Gouch, where you at?
Speech.
First of all, I want to thank my connect. Hey, Gouch, go ahead, Gouch, do your thing.
I hate the camera. Thank you, everybody, for the love and the support. Tim's hold a special place in everybody's heart, especially if you're from the 5 boroughs and you partook in graffiti and hip hop in the 1990s. So shout out to Tim's, shout out to Noble, Chino, Scuff, Dover, everybody else. Thank you so much.
Big up. Shout out to hip hop.
Big you up, yo. Check this out. So
Thank you.
I saw the outside of the booth. And old boy was like, oh no, come back around. So then I seen the Bronx. I was like, all right, cool. That was it. Yeah. That was it. But yo, you did your thing. Yeah, definitely. Hell yeah. Word.
The man them celebrate Eid, the trap still running on Christmas Day.
Okay. She gave it. Oh, we got a challenger.
That's the end of the event. Damn. I didn't like how that picture took though. But anyway, yeah. Yo, shout out to Gooch. Hey, when I first saw that boot, I said, yeah. That's it.
Lying, man. I was looking right at you.
No, I ain't gonna. Let me stop fronting. Let me stop fanning. Nah. So what happened was I seen the outside of the joint, and I was like, all right. I seen the Queens. I seen I seen the Brooklyn, and then old boy was like, oh, on the other side too. I seen the Bronx. I seen Harlem. I was like, yeah. I said, yeah, most def. Hell yeah. Had that Big Pun. Queens was Prodigy. Brooklyn Biggie, and Harlem Big L. Yeah. So shout out to Timberland for the event. That joint was popping. Damn. I guess as far as I know right now, I think they already did one in the Bronx. They ain't gonna there's not another one gonna be in the Bronx. They're doing Soho and Brooklyn. I'm not gonna be here. But yo, shout out to them. Now I will go through with my homeboy. Shout out to Chris Dixon. If he go through, I'm out there. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, I'm chilling. But yo, dope event. Shout out to all the artists that did their thing with them Tims. But yo, Goops, you know what I'm saying? Word. Anyway, yo, about to get up out of here. Shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been liking, commenting, all that. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.